It's time to learn! Welcome to Haika Kids! Let's have fun!
It's body wash time, la la la. Let's get clean today.
Turn the water on, splash, splash, splash. Bath time, fun to play. Squish the wash, foam it up, bubble soft and white.
Wash my arms and wash my hands. Scrub them left and right. Wash my tummy, wash my legs. Scrub up, dub, dub, fun.
Rinse it off, rinse it off, rinse it off. Sparkle clean and bright.
Towel dry, cozy warm. Feels so soft and nice. Towel dry, cozy warm. Feels so soft and nice.
Bye bye germs, run away. Clean is now.
Body wash time is done today. Good night, sleepyhead.
That was fun! Like, share, and subscribe! Ring that bell! See you soon! Bye!